Greetings, fellow bandits. My name is Fearless Bandit, and welcome back to Midnight Recordings with Fearless Bandit. Today, we're in Photoshop, obviously, but more importantly, we're going to be drawing a cat to stay in theme with last time. And yeah, I have a drawing tablet now. It's not mine. My mother's lending it to me. Thank you, Mom. I genuinely, really appreciate it. It's a wonderful tablet. I'll leave a link in the description. She's not getting paid for this, nor am I. Please sponsor my videos. That would be great. Anyway, time to get onto the video. Oh, it's the X Pen. Deco03, in case you're wondering. And yes, it isn't actually midnight, but I don't care about that. This is gonna be a quick, simple tutorial on how to draw a cat. Okay, now oh shoot, I don't have my glove. It comes with a glove too. And yes, this will be an ASMR video. Just wait, okay? It will be an ASMR. Now I can move around the screen a lot easier, okay? Don't want that. I want a new one. And yeah, you know what? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay. How to draw a cat. I'll have this up, and and I'll leave a link in the description for it. Okay, how to draw a cat. Everything's wonderful. Everything's perfect. Okay. This is a good. Oh no. Okay. B, no, E, no. That's not the right. Freak. Okay, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Yeah, let's do that one. Frick, no, I don't want that. No, I don't want that. Okay. Yeah, sure, whatever, that works. These buttons, they don't do anything. Oh boy, we're at 4 minutes now. 4 minutes, and I haven't drawn anything. Okay. Let's draw. Let's start. Okay. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, okay. So we start with like a yeah. Start with a weird looking potato thing. Don't worry, this is what the tutorial says. Okay. And then we do the ears. Then we do the ears. That one's not that pointy. Hold on. So like, there we go. There's one ear, and oh shoot. Okay, no, thank you. Okay, then here's the second ear. There we go. Brilliant. And then we do a little triangle for the nose. Ain't that cute? Isn't that cute? Okay. Then we do the eyes. Yeah, that's good. That's a good eye. Okay, and then frick, I can't see that. Okay. I did that too well. Oh boy, okay. Typically you wouldn't be able to do this in a drawing, but this is Photoshop. It's okay, I can move this up. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Okay, then we do like there. And oh no, I don't. Oh darn. Darn, okay. There we go. Okay. Then we have a little I need to yeah, I need to zoom in for this. Okay, 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 okay. And then we have like a little tongue. Then we have a little. Look at that cute little tongue. There we are. There we are. Look at that. Look at that cat. Look how happy they are. Okay. Now for the rest of the body. Now for the rest of the body. Okay. Okay. And then, oh darn, we have to do whiskers too. We gotta do whiskers. Of course, of course. Three. One. Two. Three. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, we got this. Beautiful cat. Beautiful cat. Okay, and then we draw the body. Oh no, I don't want that. This is very. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Okay. Then what we do? Oh, I can't see that. That image is too small. Okay. Okay, I know what we do now. Okay. I kind of needed to take this in more, but whatever, I'll make it work. Here we go. There's one magnificent leg, and paw. There, they're not the same size because this foot is slightly in front of this foot. Do not worry about it. Don't worry. And then here, and then ain't that a lovely looking cat? Ain't that just the happiest little cat ever? Okay, and then we go up and over for a tail. There we go. Oh, this cat is the cutest little thing. I need to take that down a little smaller apparently. No, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, here we go. There we go. And then we need to take this. There we go. We're almost done here. Oh, darn it. We're also almost out of time. No, I don't want that. No, thank you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that just a beautiful thing? 2, 3, and then on the last foot. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Okay, what's the last step? That's it. Then we're done. Then we colorize. Ta-da! There we go. This is my final reveal of my cat. Ain't it? whatever. That's my cat, ain't it beautiful? I did forget one step, but it's a-okay. We don't need that step. I think, name the cat in the comments below. And that's it for me. Thank you for tuning in to Midnight Fearless. So yeah, subscribe to become a bandit today and enjoy more content like this. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike the video if you didn't like it. But I will be sad. I will be sad, but yeah. Anyway, that's it from me, folks. Farewell, fellow bandits. Goodbye.